In today's video, I am going to teach you how to translate a web page in Google Chrome. To get started, make sure Google Chrome is open on your computer or device. Begin by looking toward the corner of your Chrome browser window. In the top right area, you should see the three dots menu. After the menu opens, look through the list until you find Settings. Select Settings to open the main Chrome settings page. Once the settings page is open, move your attention to the left sidebar menu. In the left sidebar, find and select Languages. After you select Languages, Chrome will show the language-related options on the main part of the screen. Now, under the Google Translate section, look for the option called Use Google Translate. Next to this option, there will be a toggle switch. If the switch is off, Chrome may not offer translation in the way you expect when you open web pages in other languages. To enable the feature, click or tap the toggle switch next to Use Google Translate and move it to the on position. Once the toggle is turned on, the setting is active. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.